Hey guys, frustrated by Among Us always forcing quick chat instead of letting you type freely? In this guide, I will tell you how to fix this. Firstly, make sure you're signed in via Nintendo account or Switch or Google/Steam on PC. So you can see I am successfully logged in. Close that. We need to go to settings. Right, let's go to settings. And then ensure that your birth date is correctly set above 13. This removes the under 13 restriction that traps you in QuickChat. In the Data tab of Settings, you need to look for Chat Type. Tap to change from QuickChat only to FreeChat plus QuickChat. If it's grayed out, double check you're signed in and have updated your age. If the settings still won't change, delete the local save folder, add user profiles, then app data, local low, in as sloth, relaunch the game. And that's pretty much how to fix this and disable QuickChat, and also bring back full messaging in Among Us. If this helped guys, hit like and subscribe for more game fixes, and thanks for watching.